Tired of losing your text when you try to move it around in Word? You highlight a paragraph, you right-click, you hit Cut, and then you accidentally hit Copy instead. Or you paste it back in the wrong spot and lose your place entirely. It is frustrating, and it slows you down every single time. But here is the fix. Cut with Ctrl+X and paste exactly where you want. No more accidental copies, no more lost text. Just clean, fast, effortless movement. So here is what we are going to do. I will show you the fastest way to cut and paste text in Word using just your keyboard. 3 simple steps, that is all it takes. Alright, let us start with step 1. First, you need to select the text you want to move. Now, you do not have to be super precise here. Just click at the very beginning of the sentence or paragraph you want to cut. Hold down your left mouse button and then drag your cursor across the text until everything you want to move is highlighted in blue. That blue highlight is your signal. It means Word knows exactly what you are working with. And here's a little pro tip. If you want to grab a single word really quickly, you can just double-click on it. Double-click and it selects that entire word instantly. For a whole paragraph, triple-click anywhere in it. That selects the entire block. It is a huge time saver once you get used to it. So take a second, make sure you have the right text selected. You will see it pop against the white background. That is your target. Now, here is where the magic happens. With that text still highlighted, press the Ctrl key and hold it down. Then, while holding Ctrl, press the X key, Ctrl+X. Go ahead and do it. You will see the text vanish from your screen. It disappears. Do not panic. That is exactly what is supposed to happen. You did not delete it. You cut it. That text is now sitting on your computer's clipboard, just waiting for you to put it somewhere else. And here is the really important part. Because you used cut instead of copy, that text is completely removed from its original spot. No leftover duplicates, no confusion about which version is the right one. It is gone from here so you can put it exactly where you need it. This is the key to keeping your document clean and organized. You are not making a copy and then going back to delete the original. You are moving it in one clean motion. So now that you have cut the text, let us put it somewhere new. Click your cursor at the exact spot in your document where you want that text to go. It could be a few lines down. It could be on the next page. It could be in a completely different section of your document. Just click once to set your insertion point. Then, press and hold the Ctrl key again, and this time press the V key, Ctrl+V. As soon as you do, the text reappears right where your cursor is blinking. Just like that, you have moved your text from point A to point B. No fuss, no mess, no accidental copies left behind. You will notice the original location is now empty, and everything in your document flows correctly. It is a very satisfying feeling when you see it all line up perfectly. And that is really all there is to it. 3 keystrokes. Ctrl+X to cut, Ctrl+V to paste. Once you get this sequence into your muscle memory, you will wonder why you ever bothered with the mouse at all. It is faster, it is cleaner, and it keeps you right where you are working without having to hunt for menu options. Give it a try on your next document. I think you will be surprised at how much time it saves you. Thanks for watching and happy typing.